Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a tic-tac-toe at home. You need acrylic paint, paint brushes, rocks, a pair of scissors, cardboard, it could be a shoebox, and if you have a ruler that might be handy as well. The first step is to paint your rocks. You're going to need 4 of the same color and 4 of the same color, and then this one is going to have 2 sides. So one side is going to look like this and one side is going to look like this one. So you have to pick 2 patterns. I'm going to pick turtles and hearts. When you're done, you're going to put them aside and you're going to let them dry. Mark a 5 by 5 square on your cardboard and paint it the color that you like. Once it dries, cut it out